In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Webull app on Android. If you're new to Android or just want the safest, cleanest way to get the Webull app, this guide will walk you through it step by step, with a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that you're signed in to a Google account. This is important because the app comes from the Google Play Store, which is the official source for Android apps. It's also a good idea to have a bit of storage space available and, if possible, be on Wi-Fi so the download is quick and smooth. Now, let's download Webull the correct way using the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer with a multicolored triangle icon. In the search bar at the top, type Webull. When the results appear, look for the listing that says Webull, Investing in Trading, published by Webull Technologies. Take a second to confirm the publisher name, because this is how you make sure you're getting the official app and not a lookalike. Once you've found the correct one, tap Install. Your phone will download and install the app. When it's finished, tap Open to launch Webull right away. You'll also see the Webull icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access later. As you open the app for the first time, you might see a brief loading screen or a prompt to allow certain permissions depending on your device. These prompts are normal for legitimate apps. If you're on mobile data, that's fine, but using Wi-Fi can help the process go faster and avoid using your data plan. A quick but important warning: avoid fake or modified apps. Don't download APK files from random websites or links sent in messages. These can be risky and may compromise your device or your personal information. Only download Webull from the Google Play Store, or if you prefer to start from a browser, use the official Webull website strictly as a trusted path that directs you back to the Play Store. Sticking to these sources keeps your device secure and ensures you receive updates automatically. That's it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Webull, choose Webull, Investing in Trading by Webull Technologies, tap Install, then Open. Keep it official, keep it safe, and you'll be ready to explore the app with confidence.